Scaling is an exciting step for any supplement brand, but it's also one of the easiest places to lose control of your product. Even small adjustments during a scale-up can affect your quality, your claims, and the experience your customers expect. I'm Matt from HydroScience. If you're worried about scale-up issues, contact us today. I got your back. We've helped scale thousands of products, and today I'll walk you through how to protect your brand as you grow. Number 1, scaling changes how ingredients behave. A formula that works perfectly in a small batch doesn't always behave the same way in a full commercial run. Ingredient flow, density, potency, and behavior can shift at larger volumes. We help you understand how these changes affect your product so nothing catches you off guard once you scale. Number 2, protect your claims and your brand message. During scale-up, it's common for brands to make small changes that unintentionally weaken their claims or alter the customer experience. We help you maintain serving size, ingredient forms, and keep your clean label direction intact. This ensures the products your customers love remains the same as you grow. Number 3, align with your manufacturer early. Scaling requires close collaboration with the CMO. We work directly with the manufacturer to make sure your formula is documented correctly, the process fits their equipment, and the technical expectations are crystal clear. This eliminates guesswork on the production line and keeps your product consistent. Number 4, prevent batch-to-batch inconsistency. As your brand grows, new variables come into play. Ingredient lots, supplier changes, lead times, and large-scale production dynamics. We help you manage these variables so each batch remains consistent, reliable, and aligned with your brand's expectations. Number 5, keep the customer experience the same at any scale. Customers expect your product to feel the same every time. Whether you're producing 1,000 units or 100,000 units, we help you preserve the quality, experience, and brand integrity that made your product successful in the first place. Scaling requires experience and structure. When you guide your process, you keep control of your product, protect your claims, and grow with confidence. I'm Matt from HydroScience. If you're worried about scale-up issues, contact us today.